Hey guys, welcome to Karan's Cuisine, and today I'll be making two recipes in this video. One of them is a baked garlic chicken and the other is a chicken wrap or durum as they call it in Belgium, made with the baked garlic chicken. First, you need 6 chicken thighs. I skinned them myself. And for your seasonings, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, not garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Okay, first mix all of your seasonings together. Now that it's well mixed like this, put it into the chicken thighs slowly and then mix it together. Mixing, they're all evenly applied, and this recipe you can make it with thighs, tenderloins, or chicken breasts, but I'm making it with thighs. And for thighs, they already have fat, so you don't need to add olive oil. But if you're making it with chicken breasts or tenderloins, then add a teaspoon of olive oil before mixing in the seasoning. Now it's time to bake it at 425 Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes on both sides. As you can see here, are a little bit thick. I have to bake it for 15 minutes on both sides, and I've already preheated my oven to 425 Fahrenheit, so now I can just put it in and bake it for 30 minutes total. Baked it for all 30 minutes on 425 Fahrenheit, and once it's fully baked, set aside for 5 minutes so the juice spreads throughout the chicken thighs. Now that the chicken is ready, you can eat this for dinner with a side of anything like mashed potatoes, my potato lettuce recipe, a salad, or steamed broccoli. You could eat that for dinner, or you could make the chicken wrap recipe that I'm about to tell you. Now to make the chicken wrap. I got inspired from this recipe when I went to Belgium and Netherlands, and everybody was eating a recipe called the durum, which is a chicken wrap just like this one. And I really liked it, so I wanted to make this recipe for my own. For the bread wrapping, you're gonna need tortillas or rotis. I'm using medium-sized Costco tortillas. And for the filling, cut lettuce, cut lime so you can squeeze it, onions, tomatoes, and the chicken thighs cut into small pieces. Each chicken thigh makes about 2 rolls, and 2 to 3 should be enough for 1 person. You can add any vegetables you want, including cucumber or avocado, which I also tried, and I liked avocado. And for sauces, I like a combination of ranch and sriracha sauce, but you can do anything you want, such as ranch, ketchup, Thousand Island sauce, chipotle ranch, or avocado ranch. Now, I have to roll all the ingredients together. Now to put the ingredients in. When you're wrapping, fold the bottom half up and crease it. Fold the top half up and crease it. And now fold the sides. And you have to push this in so it stays. There, now you've got your little cute mini wrap. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out my other videos.